Hey guys, I'm going to be talking about how to stop healing because honestly, you have healed too much. You have healed more than enough. It is time for you to let go and move on. Before we go into this video, please like it because I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Leave a comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe. You have healed enough. It is time for you to revamp and move on. Stop blaming yourself for what didn't work out. No, just stop overanalyzing these things in your head. Stop replaying them, trying to look for where you went wrong, where the person went wrong, what what happened, what did it happen? Why? Why are you stressing yourself? Why are you punishing yourself? Just block your mind and stop thinking about it. Self pity is bad. Stop pitying yourself. Stop having that victim mentality. You are a victor. You are not a victim. Every bad thing that has happened to you was a lesson. You had to learn from it. You had to be a better person through all those bad things that you have experienced. Because if you don't experience them, how are you going to have stories? How are you going to be stronger? How are you going to know better? We learn from our mistakes. We learn from our bad experiences. We learn from them. So stop beating yourself up. Stop wondering why they did this or that to you. Stop wondering why this thing happened like this. Trying to make sense of everything. You must not understand everything that happens. Why am I laughing? You must not understand everything that happens in this world. Life is mysterious. This world is a mystery. So let the world keep being a mystery, and the only thing you owe yourself is just to keep moving on. You owe yourself to keep taking steps, 1 million steps ahead, and stop looking back. Eh? You can't be going forward and keep looking back. Why? The more you look back, the more you miss your steps. Imagine you are taking a walk and you keep turning to look back. It means that you're delaying yourself. And you're not even going to look forward. You're not even going to focus and look forward and see what is coming in front of you, whether it's good or bad. When you're focused, when you are not emotional, when you are not always in your head, your mind is in the right place. You can see when bad things want to happen. You sense it. Your instincts are awake. But when you are always emotional, when you always my past, it is on my shoulder. It's so heavy. My past is so heavy. I need to carry it. Drop the past. Throw away this past, Jared. Throw it away. What is your business with the past? What you can't change cannot worry you. If you can't change the past, why is this foolish past disturbing you? Please let the past be in the past. So it is time for you to look ahead. It is time for you to forge ahead. The only thing you know that you can have a little control over is your future. You can control your future by moving on. You can control your future by putting your head in the right place, by telling yourself that, babes, what's up? It's time for me to move on. Put all that hurt you are still feeling, that anger, that that sadness, that pity, put it to getting better in your life. Use it and focus. Use it and level up. Use it and move on. Yesterday is the past. Tomorrow is the future. Today is the gift. Use the gift of today wisely. You have limited time on this earth. Sometimes we think that we have so much time. Tomorrow we wake up, like we've gotten used to waking up every day. But honestly, we have limited time on this earth. Use your time wisely. Keep living. Keep creating new memories. Have good experiences. Even when you have the bad experience, take it as a lesson. It's okay to make mistakes. We are humans. If you don't make mistakes, what? Are you perfect? I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not God. I'm meant to be perfect. So why do I have to beat myself when I make mistakes? Why? You have to learn to forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for all the bad choices you've made before in your past. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. Forgive yourself for not knowing better. Because honestly, if you had known better, you'd have done better. Forgive the people that hurt you. But before you forgive them, forgiveness starts from us. It is when we forgive ourselves that the people that hurt us become insignificant in our eyes. Like, we don't even see them anymore. We don't even think about them again. Because you've made peace with yourself. Don't wait till you are fully healed, till you are laughing every day. Then you will start putting yourself out there. You will start moving on, or moving ahead in life. No, you do it afraid. You do it when you're tired. You do it when you're not smiling. You do it when you don't even feel like doing it. You're strong. Do you know what you've been through and you survived? What are you saying? Do you know who you are? Do you know who you are? I just want to learn how to. I don't know why I cannot just do my, that sassy, that's that thing that ladies will just do their neck like, do you know who you are? Do you know who you are? Do you know who you are? You are amazing. You are more than enough, and you are stronger than you think. You are tough. Tough it out and stand up. And trust me, it's going to get easier. The more you live, the more you experience life, it becomes easier. You forget all the past nonsense, hurts, all those things that are going to be like, why was I even crying? Why was I even feeling so bad over this? What was this? I can't even remember what was even making me cry. The more you make new memories, the more you have better experiences. These new experiences are going to help overshadow and wipe away the bad experiences you've had before in your past. That is why they say time heals all wounds. The wound doesn't just heal when time passes by. No, it heals because now we've made better, sweeter experiences and memories. So those sweeter memories just helps fade off the bad memories we have in our head. So you need to create better experiences. The good thing is that you've learned. Now you know better. You've learned from your mistake. You've learned not to trust people. Trust has to be earned. You can't just be trusting anybody. No, you only trust yourself. You're the only person that you know. You're the only, like, you can't just trust anybody. We learn from each experience. So every mistake you've made before was actually a big blessing because it taught you so much about life. If you had not made those mistakes, you won't be wise. You won't know nothing about life. You know better now. Use your past experience, use your lessons, and pick better next time and do better next time. That is why you pass through what you passed through, for you to learn, for you to be a better person. You can't pass through so much and you didn't get any lesson from it. That is deep. I know that this word is deep, but that one is deeper. So don't close yourself off just because of one bad egg, or even two, or even three. No matter how many the bad eggs are, it's not your business. Your business is to protect yourself. You're going to protect yourself better now. You're going to do it using the armor you got from your past. You're going to do it using the experiences and lessons you've learned from your mistakes. It's going to help you make better decisions next time. Listen, you don't have to stay away from the world for you to heal. You can't keep healing and disappearing from the world and you want to be left alone. Okay, I need time to heal. I need time to be by myself. Because what you're doing is that you're trying to protect yourself, which is okay, from bad experiences. But you have to know that the same wall that keeps away bad experiences, that is the same wall that keeps away good experiences. Because at the end of the day, you're going to block things and people from coming into your life because they're trying to be overprotective of yourself. I have been there before. I have been hurt so much. And I told myself that, you know what? I need to take out time to heal. I need to heal myself. And it took me years and years hiding, all in the name of healing. It's okay for you to take out time and be like, okay, I need this time for myself. I need this time to put my head together. But you can't take all the time in the world. You can't take months and years, because the next thing that's going to happen now is it's going to be 2024, 25, 26, 27, and time has gone like so fast, and you're like, what happened over the years? My dear, you decided to run from the world. The most amazing thing about us human beings is our instincts. Before any bad thing happens to us, our instincts let us know. We become uneasy. We are not comfortable. We feel like there's something off. Every bad thing that has ever happened to me, I have sensed that it was going to happen. One thing we all need to learn how to do is to listen more to our instincts. Our instinct never ever lies. We are all spiritual beings having a physical experience in this world. So our spirit is so strong that when things want to go wrong, when things are about to go off, our spirit just lets us know. We've become so uneasy. Like we just don't feel comfortable with ourselves. We have that feeling that something is about to go off, something is about to go wrong. Just that we don't listen. We just shake it off and be like, I'm just scared. I know I can do this. When you sense something wrong, when your spirit, when your body, lets you know that there's something off, you should take a step back. For example, when you meet or you are with someone or some people, or when you go to certain places and you feel like you're not comfortable, there's something off. Whenever you sense it, you move away. Because if you go on with that, hmm, 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 you have very beautiful life ahead of you. It can only get better. I believe that my tomorrow is better. I always tell myself that I have not met the best man of my life. I believe that I have not even met the most amazing people in my life. I believe that there is so much more ahead of me. The same thing with you. There is so much more ahead of you. There are beautiful things you have not experienced. There is so much good, wonderful experiences waiting for you to enjoy. Be strong. I know that it's not easy for us to just want to pick ourselves up and want to move on. Trust me, I know this, but you have to start. If you're a lady, you need to go and make your hair. Hmm? If you like making your nails, okay, go and do your nails, go and do your hair, get your skincare ready. So I'm just saying this because you need to look your best when you go out on dates, when you start going out to, for occasions and all that. Always take care of yourself. And if you're a man, you need to go and have a haircut. You need to look prim and proper. Fine boy. Go take care of yourselves and enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Life waits for nobody. One day now, all of us will just go. Huh? All of us will go. You get? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it, leave a comment below, share with your friends, share on your social media. Check out these two videos here, pop and click on here and subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.